Hey, my name is Guanzhang. Today I'm gonna talk about why can't people get a great mix with the plugin they bought on Black Friday deals. When I was the beginner, I started to search all the information online, everything about mixing or audio production. And I think there is one interesting thing, that is most of the people in the online group or communities or forum, they are always talking about the microphone, preamps or headphone or PC or audio interface or anything, including the plugin. Everything are the nerd stuff. And what I expected there is they were talking about how to get that guitar sound or that solid mixing sound, or how they processing the whole mastering processing. And after the years of the experience of doing mixing work, I find out one thing, because I think there must be one thing that can differentiate between the amateur and professionals. Guess what? It's the knowledge. It's the knowledge, skills, techniques. That's what I call education. So the main point I want to emphasize here is the education. That is really the thing can help you to get a great mix. And that's all today I have for you. If you would like to learn more about musical production, mixing techniques, tips and tricks, so please click the link below and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice mixing. Goodbye.